Creating a cozy living room in your apartment isn't just about filling the space with furniture. It's about crafting a sanctuary that feels warm, inviting, and uniquely you. Whether you're working with a compact studio or a spacious layout, your living room should be a place where you can relax, unwind, and recharge. The best part? You don't need a huge budget to achieve a stunning transformation. From layering textures to creative lighting solutions, this video will spark inspiration and show you how to turn your apartment into a cozy haven. Plus, stick around for a few expert tips to make your space functional and stylish without sacrificing comfort. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite living room decor ideas. Ready? Let's get started. The key to coziness is in the details, and nothing says comfort like layering textures. Start with a soft area rug to define your living room space. Opt for rugs with high pile textures or warm tones to immediately make the room feel inviting. Then add plush throw blankets over your sofa or armchair. Consider options like faux fur, chunky knits, or microfibers that are soft to the touch. Don't forget the pillows. Mix and match fabrics such as velvet, linen, and cotton for variety. Even better, choose pillows in varying sizes to create a more dynamic and relaxed look. Play with patterns, but stay within a cohesive color palette to keep the design balanced. Textures not only add warmth, but also make your space feel curated and intentional. A strong focal point can tie your living room together and make it feel cohesive. A focal point is more than just something to look at, it sets the tone for your entire space. Start by choosing a feature that naturally draws attention, like a bold piece of artwork or a striking piece of furniture. If you love DIY projects, consider creating a gallery wall filled with your favorite prints, framed photos, and decorative elements. For those with a TV as the centerpiece, don't let it dominate the design. Frame it with floating shelves or create a built-in entertainment unit with space for plants, books, and small decor items. If your living room has a fireplace, highlight it with a mantle display or surround it with cozy seating options. Remember, a great focal point should not only look good but also enhance the functionality of your living room. Think about how it can support the way you use your space, whether for entertaining, relaxing, or working from home. Lighting can make or break the ambience of your living room. To create a truly cozy vibe, focus on soft, layered lighting that highlights different zones in the space. Start with overhead lighting, but avoid harsh, bright fixtures. Opt for warm-toned bulbs or a stylish pendant lamp with a dimmer switch for flexibility. Next, add table or floor lamps strategically placed near seating areas or corners to brighten darker spots. For an extra dose of ambience, incorporate string lights or LED candles for a soft, glowing effect. If you love natural light, maximize it by using sheer curtains during the day to let sunlight filter in. Don't underestimate the power of accent lighting. Use it to highlight decor, such as a piece of art or a statement plant. Layering multiple light sources will not only make your living room more functional, but also create the cozy, welcoming vibe you're aiming for. If you're enjoying these tips so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. What's your go-to tip for creating a cozy space? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Nature has an amazing ability to calm and comfort, so why not bring a touch of the outdoors into your living room? Start with greenery. Adding plants like pothos, fiddle leaf figs, or succulents not only freshens up the air but also adds a pop of life and color to your decor. If you're worried about upkeep, invest in realistic faux plants for the same effect without the maintenance. Natural materials also work wonders in creating warmth. Think wooden furniture pieces, woven baskets, jute rugs, and even bamboo or rattan accents. These organic textures balance the sleekness of modern furniture and add a grounded, homey vibe. For an extra touch, consider adding natural stone elements, such as a marble coffee table or a few decorative rocks. Layering these materials creates an earthy, serene space that's hard to leave. What truly makes a living room feel like home are the personal touches. It's the little things that tell your story and make the space uniquely yours. Start by displaying items that bring you joy, family photos, travel mementos, or your favorite books. These pieces make your living room feel more lived in and authentic. Layer in some artwork or prints that resonate with you. Whether it's abstract pieces, calming landscapes, or vibrant colors, art can evoke emotion and set the mood for the room. Don't be afraid to mix traditional frames with canvas prints or lean larger pieces against walls for a casual, curated vibe. For extra personality, incorporate sentimental items like a vintage clock from your grandparents or a handmade blanket from a loved one. Small details like these spark conversation and help you feel connected to your space. Your living room is more than just a place to sit. It's the heart of your home, where you relax, entertain, and create lasting memories. By incorporating these cozy decor ideas, you can transform your apartment into a space that's not only stylish but also feels like a warm embrace every time you walk through the door. Remember, coziness isn't about perfection. It's about creating a space that makes you feel good. Experiment, have fun, and let your personality shine through your decor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let us know in the comments which of these tips you'll try first, or share your own cozy living room decor ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.